Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Arielle, and today I filmed this purple skull glittery halo eye moment for Halloween. I really wanted to play around with something fun, so this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera because I kind of want to do them in a different way than I normally do. What I did was kind of like make them super sharp at the end since this is a Halloween look. So let's get right into this makeup look, guys. Alright, so we're going to be doing a really smoky purple halo eye, super intense. For my first shade that I'm going to lay down, I've already primed my eyelids and everything. I'm going to take the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and take the purple, kind of really light purple shade right here called Buon Fresco. Not sure if that's how you say it. And taking that shade and just popping it in the crease as a transition. My crease, we're really just blowing it out. You don't really have to be too precise with this. And I'm taking it pretty far out. I'm taking this all the way into the inner corner, as you can see, so this shade is evenly distributed. I'm gonna take a new Morphe M433 brush. This is one of my favorite blending brushes, if I can open it. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm taking this sort of plummy shade right here, and I'm going to start putting this in the crease. I'm going to be focusing this shade on the out and inner corner, leaving a space in the middle, like a halo eye. These shades are really pigmented, so I really want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing, so I zoomed in a little bit. Putting the shade on the outer corner, and then I'm bringing it in. Like you can see, I'm creating a harsh line, and then I'm putting it in the inner corner too, leaving that space in the middle right there. Now, just to blend it out, I'm going to take a little bit of that first shade, Buon Fresco, and blend out the edges. Creating a V. Taking the same palette, I'm going to take this purple shade at the bottom. It goes on there. And then connecting it in the middle. I think it's easiest to sort of tilt your head back when you do that. Then I'm going back with the M433 and just giving it a little blend. This purple shade right here. And I'm going to place that in the center of the eye. But first, I'm going to spray this brush. This just comes with the Urban Decay Naked palettes. Spray it with some Trader Joe's rose water. Dip into that shade and apply it to the center of the lid. Brush and just blending out the edges. Alright, so now I'm taking this Stila liquid eyeshadow. It's in a really pretty color. It's called Violet Vixen. I'm going to be applying this in the center of the eye. And I'm going to pat out the edges with my finger. So now that I have this done on this eye, I'm going to go do the same exact thing to the other eye, and then I'll be back to see what else I come up with. So I'm back. I've done both eyes. As you can see, the eyeshadow is done, and now I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D liquid liner and Trooper. I'll be creating a, line on my lash line. Alright, so before I put on false lashes, I'm just going to be putting on this roller lash by Benefit. Just a thin coat. Alright, so the lashes I'm using today are from Nubounsom. I love Nubounsom. They have amazing lashes. These are in the style Serengeti, I want to say. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, we can finally start on the face, and I feel so happy because I feel disgusting. So now I'm going to be mixing two foundations today. This one is by Marc Jacobs and this one is by Dior, and I'll be linking everything down below so you can see my shade and everything. But in the Dior I'm 050 and in Marc Jacobs I am Cocoa Light. I don't really use primer in all honesty, so I'm not gonna. That just squirted everywhere. I'm gonna be using this Morphe dirty sponge. But the Morphe one's amazing. Like I honestly like this one more than the Beauty Blender one. No shade, no tea, but like yeah. Okay, so it's time for concealer. I'm gonna be using the Tarte concealer. This looks super light because it is. It's really light. I like a pretty bright under eye, but this is almost like too light, but we're gonna make it work. And I'm kind of using this concealer to sharpen up the edge of my eyeshadow. Oh my god, that looks so bright. I promise you it's gonna be fine. Okay, so I'm just taking this very old and crusty Stay Matte powder by Rimmel, I want to say, and really set my under eye. For the rest of my face, I'm just taking my MAC Studio Fix powder and NC45 and applying that all over. This will just give me some extra coverage. Alright, so I'm going to finish up my under eye. I'm basically going to be doing the same thing that I did to the top to the bottom. Taking that second shade that I used, the second darkest, I only used 3 shades on that. And I'm going to be taking this underneath. Pretty far, because it's Halloween. And I'm connecting it to the top. So now I'm going to take in the darkest shade that I used on the pencil brush again and be focusing this a little bit closer to the lash line. Again, if you can hear Biggie in the background, that's my dad jamming to like rap music. I'm gonna take my Trooper liner and do the sort of nose part of the skull. I'm gonna be taking a little detailer brush by Morphe. This is the G20 and a black shade and like filling this in. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M504 and I'm gonna be taking that darkest purple shade. And we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna create that line in the skull. Kind of like where I would do my contour, where that natural shadow is. I'm just sketching it first. And blending down. I try to do this evenly on the other side. Now I'm going to be taking black on this M433 brush and just further defining this line, deepening it up. And then I'm going to go back in with this brush and just diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to take this brush and put some black in like the center of my lips. I'm going to diffuse it with some of that purple. Glitter now. I'm going to apply this all over my lips. I'm going to take some black liner and create teeth. Now I'm gonna take some black on that detail brush and just kind of like smudge it out. I'm gonna be taking this Urban Decay liquid glitter and putting this into my inner corners. I'm kind of jumping all over the place with this makeup tutorial because I didn't really know what I was doing. Now I'm going to be doing a little bit more shading on my face. So I'm going to take this big brush again in that darkest purple shade here where the eyebrows are. Make myself look mad. I'm taking a little bit of concealer and putting that in between there to just clean it up a little bit, like the tiniest dot. Okay, my fingers and blending that out. I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette again, and to highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the shade Tempera. At my face with the Trader Joe's Rose Water. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Bubbly and highlight on my cheek. Last but not least, I'm going to be taking a little bit of mascara and applying this to my lower lash line. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and let me know if you guys try it out for Halloween. I would love to see pictures. I might do something really similar to this for Halloween. We'll see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos and want to see more from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm just getting restarted with this channel and I'm having a lot of new content. So I hope you guys follow me on my journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.